He is ready to pay 35 lakhs once and for all.
What is she expecting?
35 in the child's name, plus he has to give us about 5 lakhs.
I took care of everything, all the expenses. I'm not keeping that into account.
Let us settle this at for 38 lakhs.
My
She
lords, if
wants
he is
to-
ready for 40, we can close it, my lord. He has
He
a
is
central
earning
government
only-
job and
he
he
is
has a
earning only
property which is worth more than
68,000.
2 crores.
You're not
Let-
interested for a settlement.
My lords, at least another 2 lakhs. I'm sorry, but extremely sorry. It's not right of us bargaining like this, but
Your Lordship, on the last date there was an interaction between the parties and the child. In fact, there was a lower court order granting him the visitation of 10 to 3 on every Sunday, which was modified later on to 3 to 5:30, which after the interview interaction with them, he was given a chance to take the child. He was allowed to take the child from 6 to 9 to his house. Even though they resisted on the first date of, they had
What
to
happened to
interact.
the visitation?
Visitation went well actually. The child was very happy. He went to their house on the first day. They did not allow, citing that the order is not uploaded. Even then he could take the child after a lot of heated arguments. After around 40 minutes, they let the child. And then, but the child was very happy
Father
with the
should
father.
transfer the amount of 50,000 is transferred.
It is already transferred, Your Lordship. I will file a memo with the copy of the challan for the 50,000 rupees he has already transferred. And our prayer, Your Lordship, initially, according to 28/4/2024 orders, the father was interacting with the child from 10 to 3. And that also was going on smoothly and happily unless there was.
Now, what about the settlement I have referred to?
Settlement, he is ready to pay 35 lakhs once and for all the cases together. That is the husband is telling.
What is she expecting?
I don't know, because that
they are
day was not there
expecting
during the talks.
35 in the child's name, plus he has to give us about 5 lakhs, which I had paid when he purchased a car, when he registered a property and other expenses.
What is the amount you said?
Your Lordship,
35 lakhs.
There's
yes, he
another
is ready
5
to
lakhs
pay-
that we are expecting.
He is ready to pay
40.
35 lakhs as a complete settlement amount, and he will be, actually, she had deserted her and gone. She even tried to file a 498 even against his mother and himself. Anyway, at this point, he
We are
wants to
only on the
settle.
point of the settlement.
Settlement,
Please go on.
35 lakhs he is ready.
My lords,
But
35
afterwards,
will
there
be in the
not be
child's
having-
name.
After that, there will not be having any further payments because there is one matrimony case is also pending. This will be the only amount he will be paying, and there will be no other maintenance
My
amount
lords,
or
we are
any
ready.
other amount he will be paying
The
towards.
father is ready to deposit an amount of rupees 20 lakhs as fixed deposit in the name of the child, and the mother submits that it is acceptable for her if an amount of rupees 35 lakhs is deposited in the name of the child, and the father shall pay 50% of the educational expenses that she has spent for the child all these years. That's what was-
That also he was,
So
she
the
was told to bring all the
Yes.
proof.
The bills of the educational expenses, his medical, and also 2 payments that she had made when he purchased a car and also thing.
That all.
It's
she said.
another 5 lakhs, my lords.
Thereafter, the father submits that he does not have any information where the child is studying and the expenditure that was spent towards his education. If she comes up with receipts for the amount she has spent, he is ready to bear 50% of the expenses.
Yes, yes.
It is submitted that if the mother comes up for final settlement, he will be ready to pay an amount of rupees 35 lakhs also. It is submitted that the father had purchased a car which is in the name of the mother, and the mother has contributed an amount of rupees 4.5 lakhs, and the mother shall transfer the ownership of the car to the father, and the mother submits that she will transfer the same provided that the amount is repaid. As for the husband submits that as for the depreciation, he will repay the amount.
And he says that according to as per the depreciation, he is ready to pay her 2 lakhs in that respect. And then
So, just wait. So 35 lakhs in the name, on the name
in
of
the
the
name
child.
of the child, he said he will start an account.
1 minute, 35 lakhs. Then you said how much?
2 lakhs for the car.
2 lakhs for the car. Then what about the educational expenses? Have you calculated?
Yes, my lords, it
much
comes
that?
up to about 4 lakhs or something. Half of that is around 2
Half of
lakh,
that will come to 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. And his medical and other
Your Lordship,
vaccinations and everything
He
is another
only
1 lakh.
5-year-old. And they say that 4 lakhs they spent, it's without any proof, they have not.
We have the proofs,
They
my
will-
lords.
can
And they
produce
only
the proof.
submitted that it is mainly the medical records what they have, not the educational bill. They just no submitted.
have both.
It is a medical.
Medical and,
Even if the medical expenses are there, that's a father's obligation also. What is the difficulty for that?
He is even ready to take care of the child all alone completely if she gives the
What
custody
we do
also.
is, no, please, whatever the documents or whatever the receipts, please share with them. So as far as
Yes, my lord.
35 lakhs is concerned, there is no dispute, he is ready for that. Now, for this 2 lakhs, I think she should accept the 2 lakhs of car.
for the
thing.
car.
So for this 4 lakhs, what you are saying about the expenses of the child, please exchange those receipts. Yes.
He says that he wants to check the bills because it
Let
is
him-
too
let him
much.
check, let him
Because
check.
he, still today, he had no knowledge.
I can pay 37 and we can close it at 37.
30?
37.
He says altogether 35 plus 2 lakhs of the
The
car.
child was away for the last. And from the time he was born, I took care of everything, all the expenses. I'm not keeping that into account. As a responsible father, I did that. But education, whatever bills she's saying for 4 lakhs, that's a too big amount.
The child,
My lords, that's not true, my lords. For the past 3 years, he has not contributed even a single rupee
No.
towards the child's overall
It's in your-
well-being and
whatever
upbringing.
is fast. No, let her settle this at for 38 lakhs.
he says
Lakhs including everything.
37, your lordship. Because initially he wanted to
My lords,
contest.
4.5 lakhs was paid when the Creta was born, which is his
That's what I
car.
said, depreciation is coming to 2 lakhs. Another 1 lakh for the child, already 50,000 he has already paid.
And he has one of my cars, which he is ready to give back, which he is ready to take back, but he doesn't want to pay for that car.
That's what he
And for-
said, 2 lakhs.
There's an exchange of cars, my lords.
What is that?
I had a SWIFT, I gave them the SWIFT, but the ownership transfer was not done.
Do it.
I'm ready to take it back because now for the settlement, I will sell my car, so I'll take the.
And for the Swift, I have spent more than 3 lakhs for its overall,
That car is
No,
very-
please understand.
my
She
lords, if
wants
he is
to-
ready for 40, we can close it, my lords. 35 in the child's name and 5 lakhs in the petitioner, in the wife's name.
He says he's ready for paying 2 lakhs, but the educational amount he is not, because the child was not having that much of
37,
expenses.
We close at 37, that SWIFT we will discuss and if I wanted, I'll pay them separately for the SWIFT. and the question.
Yes.
And your lordship, there are,
It's an opportunity for both of you to settle the disputes and live your respective lives happily.
your lordship.
If you do not want and you all, insisting upon the same thing, then
My lords,
then I'll
it's
dispose
just a
it of-
matter of another 3
Your
lakhs.
lordship,
He
it's a matter
having
of
a
3 lakhs.
central
and
government job, he has a
he's
central
earning only-
government job and he
he's
has a
earning only
property which is worth more than
68,000.
2 crores, which
She's a railway employee earning 68,000, she's earning
What I do is,
1.25.
now if I dispose of this application, MC is of which year?
Your lordship,
MC is of which year? GNWC?
MC of 20? 22,
2022.
23, my
Next
lords.
to 10 years, both of you will be here.
It may be. Yes, yes. Your lordship, the visitation timings which is being given, kindly it may be modified as the visitation for the weekends, your lordship. Like now, they are showing the child from 6 to 9 o'clock. That is also with so much of resistance they are giving. Let him take his
Patient-
child.
visit,
Dispose it off?
yes, my lords.
You're
Let-
not interested for a settlement?
Settlement, we are ready for 37 lakhs. He is ready. Not I am telling, he is telling. Over 1 lakhs they are fighting, your lordship.
My lords, at least another 2 lakhs. 39 should be okay, my lords. I'm sorry, but extremely sorry. It's not right of us bargaining like this, but
Do one thing, we'll have it,
Kindly it may be referred.
have it on Monday. Whatever the bills you have for the child, please give it to him. Then file the same before the court also. Finally, we'll decide it on Saturday.
Your lordship, the
This is
visitation,
matter
on
on-
this Saturday kindly the visitation may be given for 1 full day, like from Friday evening till Saturday evening, your lordship. He was actually seeing, he had an order from the family court to see the child from 10 to 3 on 28/4/2024.
Now, why will the court grant overnight custody? Why will
Overnight-
this court grant overnight custody?
Because
You should-
the child-
You should be reasonable in asking. The father can
It's a
exercise the
small
visitation.
Your lordship, I
infant
have-
child. He cannot stay like
Saturday,
that
a
overnight
working
without
day.
the mother.
Saturday is a school, she is having school? Child is having
It's a
school?
holiday.
Holiday, yes, Saturday, the child,
Saturday full day, your lordship,
the father can exercise the
We can
visitation.
continue the 6 to 9, my lords.
from morning till evening on
Between-
Saturdays.